their face is always not even. Their face, no matter what they are using, no matter the face cream they are using, their face is not always blending. Do you understand? No matter the face cream they use, rather for them their face to get blended, all this thing, it will even darken their face or make their shade even darker, or it will make some part of their face lighter than the other part. So this product is going to help you to blend your face, give you an even face, get rid of dark spot, hyperpigmentation on your face, clear acne, eczema on your face, even sunburn, and give you a more even glowy face. What about if I tell you in 7 days you clear any blemishes from your face, be it sunburn, dark spot, hyperpigmentation, eczema, or any form of sunspot you're having? This works like magic, and in 7 days it's going to give you a more glowy, smoother skin, smoother texture, and you're going to get a before and after result like this. Trust me, I'm not here trying to tell you what does not work. You see, this product, it works like magic, literally, and trust me, it's the most affordable product you can get that works magic. Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're welcome, and if you've been here before, you are the real MVP. I love you all, guys. Happy New Year, happy blessed New Year to us. Happy blessed New Year to us. I wish you guys a fruitful and a very productive year ahead. Now, long time no see. Yes, guys, I've been here making research on how to bring the most amazing videos to you guys. And trust me, you see, this one is going to blow your mind, because as I talk 7 days, and 7 days on period is going to clear your skin. This is something that I've used over time and has worked for me, and trust me, it's very affordable yet works like magic. Now I don't want us to waste too much time. I just want to go ahead and I don't want to say too much. I just want to go ahead and show you the product, you guys, so that you see it and you'll be amazed. Now there's certain things I want you to know before showing you this product. Things I want you to know, which is, why am I giving you this product to use? Now I'm going to give you the pros and cons of using this product. Yes, so that, because some of you might go and abuse it, because so much of good thing, they say everything is still get bad results. Do you understand? This product works like magic, but when you abuse it, you're definitely going to get the side effect of it and you won't like it. So that's what I'm going to teach you. I'm going to take you step by step on how to use this product and get effective results. See, and I'm not capping, this product works. Trust me, if you're looking for a fast result and yet you want something effective, affordable, right, for that matter, hey God, please go and get this product. Now trust me, this is the product, right? I'm going to teach you step by step how this product works, how to use it, how to get results, and things you need to use it with for you to get results, right? And how for you not to get side effects. Now, this is a product that contains glutathione, which is known as steroid as well. The major ingredient here is glutathione, which is also known as steroid. Now, apart from that, this product contains vitamin E, vitamin C, which is very, very still nourishing to the skin. Vitamin C can help you with the anti-aging. Vitamin E can regenerate new skin cells for you. That's the reason why it works really, really well. But one thing about this product is that you don't want to abuse it. This is a treatment product solely. This is made for treatment purpose. Trust me, and I have gotten the hack on how to use this to get results without any side effect, if you're not going to abuse it. Because the moment you start using this product, you get how it go to reach. Let's say you use it for 2-3 weeks, you see your skin go on the skin, you will literally be getting compliments. Now you can't go enter your head, you can't start to use them every day, or you can't take on like your normal face cream. This is not a normal face cream. This is a treatment product, and it's meant solely for you to treat your skin. Now, there are other things you're going to use with this product to boost the effect. If you're clearing dark spot, acne, this helps to clear acne, hyperpigmentation, dark spot, eczema on your face. This helps with sunburn, pigmentation on your face, and give you a more even clear skin. If you're having uneven skin too, some place for your face dark, some place light, is going to blend out your skin and also get rid of any inflammation. Now this also works for inflammation on the skin. It also helps to promote wound healing. That's the reason why it helps with sunburn as well. Now, this is the best way on how to use this product to get results. Now this is a fast product. Remember, it shows result in less than 7 days. It's going to clear that pigment, except you're having a really tough hyperpigmentation, dark spots on your face, acne, like if it's a severe case. But on a milder level, trust me, it's going to clear it completely on your face and with no trace. Now you're going to see results in 7 days, but if it's that intense, probably just give it 2 to 3 weeks and that is it. You're not using this product more than 3 weeks. Do you understand? Because what did I tell you is for treatment purpose, is not to be used as your regular product or your regular face cream. Do you understand? Not because you can't go there, take and say na your regular face cream, my sister, is going to spoil your skin. It's going to spoil your skin. You're going to get the adverse effect and you won't love it. The aim of you doing this is for you to get rid of that pigments, get rid of that jaga jaga, that rough things for your face. Do you understand? Then you use certain product to what? Maintain it. And I'm still going to tell you how to maintain the results. Do you understand? It's not really a big deal. I'm still going to say, okay, this is what you're going to use to repair the result and it's going to work effectively for you. And trust me, your face is not going to change, your color is not going to change, you're still going to be skinning. Do you get? Now, first and most importantly, for you to use this product, right, you need to, there are certain products I want you to incorporate, like combination, for you to get a better result when you're treating. It depends. Now, no matter what you're treating, be it eczema, be it acne, be it hyperpigmentation, be it rough texture, be it sunburn. Do you understand? It also works for that dark sunburn on the face. Now, be it demarcations and also uneven skin tone, it works for it. Now, the first product I'll be showing you to use with this particular product to get results is Kojisan. Now, Kojisan is a very good pigment lightener that actually helps to get rid of demarcations on the face, hyperpigmentation. It works for acne as well. Now, this product will actually help you to get a better result while using this, and I'm going to still teach you how to use it to get a more faster result, so that 7 days you will see the result as I take talk as they play the show. Now, one thing you need to know about this Kojisan is also a product that helps to reduce pigment. As I said earlier, it also helps to block melanin production. Right now, the enzyme responsible to produce melanin on your skin, it actually helps to block it and reduce the melanin production on your face. Now, this actually helps treat pigment from the source. Do you understand? It also go into your skin and pick that pigment and just get rid of it from your skin. Now, if you, the best way for you to use this product without getting any sort of irritation or causing any sort of burn, because some people have used the product and they said, it burns my face and all of those things, but if you know how to use it, you're not going to get any burnt face. Rather, you're going to get result and you're going to love the result. It's going to lighten your face, get rid of any. Now, especially for people that have a skin that they know they ever get uniform face, your face here, maybe your forehead dark, your cheeks are dark, some part of your face, maybe you only have, your face is only lighter around your T-zone. Do you understand? Like, people say their face no they ever blend, they know they ever get the same face. Like, no matter what thing they use, their face no they ever be the same. You go see there are some places that are dark, some places are fair, some places are dark. Their face is always not even. Their face, no matter what they are using, no matter the face cream they are using, their face is not always blending. Do you understand? No matter the face cream they use, rather for their face to get blended, all this thing, it will even darken their face or make their shade even darker, or it will make some part of their face lighter than the other part. So this product is going to help you to blend your face, give you an even face, get rid of dark spot, hyperpigmentation on your face, clear acne, eczema on your face, even sunburn, and give you a more even glowy face. So that's one thing you need to know about this product. Now, this Kojisan, apart from now, how do you use this product for you to get results with this product? Now, one thing I will always advise you is make sure you're using a very gentle face wash while using Kojisan. You don't want it to be your daily soap. There's no way you're going to use Kojisan and for it to be your daily bar soap. You're using it to wash your face every day. Your face is going to break your skin barrier. Not just that, you're going to get irritation while doing that, because this is not meant to be used daily. right? Now, the best way for you to get result is to use this at least at most 3 to 4 times in a week. It depends on the what severity of your face. If it's a mild case, if it's a severe case, you should use it at least 4 times at most. Another thing you need to pay attention is, don't use this soap on your face for 5 minutes. Don't follow that advice. Never follow that advice. Use this soap for at least, let's say, use this for at least 30 to 60 seconds, and 60 seconds should be when you've mastered the act of using it. But as a beginner, please start with 30 seconds. Do you understand? 30 seconds, you're done. It has done its job already. Wash it out. It's okay. If you stay with it too much, let it be 1 minute, so that you will not get any sort of irritation, no burning, nothing. Yes, you're getting result. Now, in the morning, you're going to use your normal face wash to wash your face. Now, if you're someone that is suffering with sunburn, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, please use your vitamin C serum in the morning. Do you understand? That way, you're going to help you to that using your vitamin C serum in the morning. That will help you to boost. That will help to boost antioxidants on your skin, thereby helping your product to even work better, and thereby helping you to stimulate collagen as well, and also helping you to get rid of the free radicals. Not just that, it will also make your skin stronger for you to be able to like get result for whatsoever product you're using, and also help you with uneven skin tone. Now, use your vitamin C, your moisturizer. Basically, that's it. Because you're using this product at night. At night, you're going to wash your face with this particular soap. When you wash your face with this soap, 30 seconds to 1 minute. Please don't exceed that. Right? So when you do that, you're going to use make sure you're using a toner, a hydrating toner, something that can just, especially a barrier toner that contains ceramide, that will actually help to like boost your skin. Not just that, that will also actually help to like protect your skin before going in with this product. But if you do not have a toner, just go ahead and apply your aloe vera gel. Right? Apply after washing your face. Use your aloe vera gel on your face to suit your skin, because you're going in with this treatment. It will also help to give you a layer, and also protect your skin, right? Because this is a steroid cream. It's something that you don't want to like, I don't you don't want it to come in contact with your skin directly. You don't want it to come in contact with your skin directly. You always want to protect your skin. Give it a layer before applying it. Do you understand? Now, in situations where you have a lot of redness or your skin is irritated, use it as a treatment. Just apply it on that area. But if you don't have any redness on your face, use it all over your face, avoiding under your eyes. Do you understand? Use it all over your face, avoiding all under your eyes. So don't forget, in the night, you're using your aloe vera gel first before this. After washing your face with the produce and soap for like 30 seconds or 1 minute. That will be it. In the morning, you're using a mild face wash, vitamin C serum, your moisturizer. But if you're an acne prone person, please, you can still use vitamin C. Vitamin C is very good for acne. Oh. A lot of people have not really discovered that. But you need to use a very, very gentle formula when it comes to vitamin C. Something like Ecoberry, they have a very gentle form of vitamin C. You can actually use it. It will actually help to suit irritation on your skin. Do you understand? Or you use a salicylic acid face wash, a mild form of salicylic acid, to wash your face to also help you to reduce acne. It helps to reduce acne, get rid of bacteria, and also decongest your pore, and also reduce sebum production on your face. Then, if you're using in the morning, if you're using salicylic acid serum or face wash in the morning, make sure it's a formula that has niacinamide in it. Niacinamide will also help you to control sebum production, thereby helping your skin not to produce too much oil and lead to acne. Now, cortisone is also going to help you to exfoliate your skin, get rid of dead skin cell, debris on your face, oil, excess oil, and all of those things, and also help you to get rid of uneven skin, to lighten up your face. Now, this will really lighten you. This will really, really lighten you, to be honest. If you know your dark skin, right, please use it on the areas you want to correct so that it can blend with your face. And do not use it every day if you're a darker skin shade. If you're chocolate, you can also still use it like 4 times in a week if you're caramel skin. But please, if you're fair skin, you can literally use it like every day until you see your results. Do you understand? Because it's not going to show any sign. Do you understand? But this can actually lighten you. So don't use it all over your face if you're dark skin or you're caramel skin, right? But you want to get results while using this. So this is the best way for you to get results. Now, let's say for instance you've gotten your result in 2 weeks, 1 week, or 3 weeks. Remember, the results start from 7 days. You will still see result. But if your skin, they somehow like if maybe your case is a more severe case, it will actually take 2 to 3 weeks. Now this is how you're going to maintain your results when you're done getting your results. Do you understand? It can be 1 week, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks. Don't forget. Now use this APLB kojic acid face cream. Now this product will actually help to maintain the results you got. This contains kojic acid and vitamin C, Centella asiatica, that actually help to suit your skin. Vitamin C will stimulate collagen, protect your skin, and also help you with uneven skin tone. Now your skin will not go dark. Your skin will not get any you're not going to get dark, because why, you're using this product to maintain the result. Not just that, this is also going to give you a more better even result. Do you understand? While using this product, now contain kojic acid. Kojic acid is very good for demarcations on the face, so it's just giving you, it's going to keep the result and also help you to get a more better result while using this product. You're using it, you can use it with your Kyrgyzstan 3 times in a week as well, but always use your face wash in the morning, your vitamin C serum, your moisturizer, right, and sunscreen. Don't play with sunscreen. Like, sunscreen should be like an old thing for you. Why? Because this period your skin is going through, this period your skin is very photosensitive, so you always want to protect your skin while using this product, right? So that is the best way to maintain your results while using this Applevet tube. And after getting result from it, this is the best way to maintain it. Using a product like this can actually help to protect and also maintain the result you got. The sunburn that it has cleared from your face, the dark spot it has cleared, the hyperpigmentation, the eczema, the acne. That's the best way to get results while doing this. If you're someone that is suffering with acne, you need to incorporate salicylic acid consistently in your skincare routine for you to get a better result while doing all of this. Now, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, and also follow. Please don't forget to share to someone suffering with uneven skin, so pigmentation on their skin. This is the most affordable routine, yet works like magic. Bye.